Today we are on the Wachusett Greenway section of the Mass Central Rail Trail, starting in West Boylston. It is a Zone 2 training day today, and we're doing a 3-hour ride. This is a little bumpy here. It should even out a little more. Wow. Very covered. Surprisingly warm October day. Jake and I ran like a timed mile yesterday. I got 10 minutes, 26 seconds, which is a full minute improvement from my 2024 benchmark. I'm pretty proud about that. Attribute it a lot to the training. On your left, right on your left. I just pictured myself riding off into the Winnipoxtuck River just then. It's absolutely terrifying. We're good. We're all good. Definitely a slight uphill here. I know I'm supposed to relax my arms, have like a little bend in my elbow, and I find I have to remind myself all the time about that. This doesn't come naturally. Hopefully I'm building some muscle memory. On your left. On your left. Thanks for waiting. My Zone 2 cycling is so slow.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a road crossing, right? Okay.
Wait, this is no road crossing.
Where do we go? So instead of going to that gate, take a super sharp turn and wind back through this other parking lot. I feel like my heartbeat's like it's still in Zone 2. Okay. Slight hill. This is good practice. Push, push, and push. There we go. Oh, yay! Whoa, this is a hill. Whoa. It's intense. I think we go straight. I'm gonna say let's stay left. Not sure where those other forks go. This section looks curvy on Google Maps. And visually it looks quite hilly as well. So cool. Oh gosh. Oh, she's like flying through this section. Nice one of us. Passing on your left. Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Sorry. You like flying down the hill, huh? I think this is the switchback section up ahead.
Hello.
Hello. This is a new section of the trail that was put in to avoid a steeper grades. Hello, chicken. Hello. Hi. Glasses won't stay on my face. Definitely not in zone 2 anymore. I feel like this is pretty gentle, but still kind of on like the steep side. All right, had to take a layer off. Trying to get back down to my zone 2. I think we might be out of the switchbacks. That was really challenging. Can't imagine I just have to hike a bike up the original route. Wow, this portion is hilly. I may have chosen the wrong ride for a 3-hour zone 2. It's between this and Ashtabula-to-Cook. There's definitely a giant windy downhill on the other side of the switchback. So I guess we'll just take it in. This might be the hilliest ride that I've ever done. Look at my Garmin watch afterward, but I would not be surprised one bit. So there's a tiny bit of road riding we're gonna do here. And then hopefully the trail will reveal itself on the right. I feel like I need full body protection or something on hills. I mean, on downhills. My nervous system feels fried from the downhills. Doing mindful breathing. Dang, that light is bright. I wonder if it's up here. Nice. Oh, I really hope this part is flat. It's already not flat. Alrighty, hoping this section is similar to the first section, pretty flat, maybe a slight incline. I think we're out of all the switchbacks and the climbs because I do a lot of relatively flat rides of like gentle inclines. I'm not used to changing my gears so often. I feel like I'm missing some education around like when am I really supposed to be changing my gears. I had been doing it just to stay in the right heart zone, but maybe there's a better way to do it. So we're just shy of Cobb Street and I think we're gonna turn around. So we're shooting for a 3-hour zone 2 workout and we're a little more than an hour and a half in with a lot of zone 3. Okay. Downhill switchbacks. Sort of reminds me a little bit of like a Mario Kart track. Except I very much have breakable bones. I think there's like tricks to cornering that I just don't know. There's probably like a skill. Ah. It's on these downhills when I know there's a big difference between my heart rate and my nervous system, because my heart rate drops because I'm not pedaling. Hello. But my nervous system spikes. Have to, build more confidence. My bike handling skills is awfully pretty today. So we're back on the stretch of trail, past the hairpin turn, past all the switchbacks. We're passing by Springdale Woolen Mill, which is like, it's interpretive, it's a historical interpretive site. It's nice to walk around in if you're on foot, and a lot of pretty views of the river from the site as well. The former site of the Quinnapoxet Dam, which has been removed. And a nice little stairwell down to the waterfront. I have 4 minutes left in the workout, but it's definitely going to take that long for us to mount the bikes to the car, and my heart rate gets up when we do that, so I think we're good. We are at S&S Farms. Apples galore. We're coming into the deli for apple cider donuts. Have their own salsas. You're in the picture!